So if you love Nugget ice and you want a lot of it, this is definitely the ice maker to get. This does make up to 35 pounds. It's super easy to use too. It's all stainless steel. You can see here we've got one button on the front. It does two things. It makes your ice and it also has a self-cleaning. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold that button down for 5 seconds and it's automatically to go into the self-cleaning mode. And we also have two other indicators here. Once this gets fully full of ice, that's going to go ahead and light up and stop making ice, or if it gets low in water, that's going to light up too and let you know that, hey, you need to go ahead and add some water. So we got a nice little lid here. It does come with a scoop. This is going to be our ice tray right through here. The ice is actually going to come out of here. I'm going to go ahead and put some water in here in just a moment. We're going to make some ice. I'll show you what it looks like. Now, when you look down inside here, there's actually a line in here that is for let you know how much water you can actually put in there. Once you do that, we go ahead and put in our tray right here. We turn it on and it's going to start making the ice. So I've put in some water almost up to the max line, which is right below that word that says max. And then all we do is hit our button right here to start it. You can see here it turned from red to white. Right now it's pulling the water inside of it. It's going to start freezing up. And about every 6 to 7 minutes, it's going to go ahead and give us some ice cubes. So this has been cranking out the ice. You'll see ice starts to gradually kind of come out there and it's just constantly filling up. Now, this container right here, it does have some slots at the bottom. So as any ice melts, the water goes back into the bottom and it recirculates and it gets made back into the ice maker. So it's just a continuous cycle. This is the kind of ice I just love. Whether you want to put this in for sodas or a mixed drink, I mean, this is fantastic. Look at it. It's just the perfect size. And as long as it has water, it's going to keep on making the ice and just keep going and going and filling it all up. Super easy to use. I love the way the ice looks. It's not loud at all. It's just really nice and quiet. Really just kind of a hum. I love the stainless steel look too, so it matches all the appliances. And I hope you found this review helpful.